Hello, my name is Dr. Scott Young, hearing expert in the Tulsa area. We're at heartulsa.com. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the loss and damage of hearing aids. Coming right up. Okay, so one of the things that really gets into an issue, most companies will have a repair warranty in their hearing aids, anywhere from 1, 2, 3 years of repair warranty. But some people don't like to do the loss and damage policy. Now, one of the things that we utilize the mainline manufacturers, the big ones, and our two favorite are Starkey and Resound, and they have a very generous policy. Now, what that is for loss and damage is a one-time loss and damage per hearing aid in that 3-year period of time. Now, what is a loss and damage that will come from it? What that happens, and there's always a deductible, and normally the deductible in 2020, it's $400 per hearing aid. It's not my charge, it's what I'm paying to the manufacturer. Okay, so I'm not trying to make money off of that thing. But the reality is that when we're doing that, we have to actually replace the hearing aid. We have to maybe take new impressions. We have to start it, refit it from scratch. I mean, we have to do a lot of stuff to get the thing to work correctly for you. Now, in the loss and damage, it's a one-time damage. Now, I'm going to give you a couple loss and damage stories. I've had people that come in they'll tell me the story, and I had a guy that something was going on. It was raining outside. He said, I set my hearing aids on. He set his hearing aids on the dashboard. Opens up, goes out, and tries to help the person. I don't remember what it was going on around him. And then he gets back in the car. He can't find him on the dashboard. And so he must have gotten out and they slid right out on the ground. I've had people lose them in garages. I've had people set them on. Oh, I'll tell you what I did. I set them on my music stand upstairs in my old house. And I didn't find them for like 5 or 6 weeks. And I had already replaced them with that too. You know, I mean, there's things that can happen to you when you realize that. But there are some amazing things that can go on. I had this one person try to tell me, a woodpecker pecked out her hearing aid. Like, what? Yeah, it was a woodpecker. And I pulled the hearing aid and put it back together. I'm like, I said, do you have a little tiny dog, like a chihuahua kind of thing? And she goes, well, yeah. And I said, looks like there's 2 little bite marks of a dog. I'm like, it wouldn't matter. She was trying to tell me a lie, but I'm like, it doesn't matter how the loss and damage occurred. It doesn't matter if you were careless or not, or it was something, kind of crazy situation like someone stealing your purse. I've had people have that. I've had people that took off their hearing aid, put them in a purse, that were going into, some place, and they've lost it because of what happened. Their purse was stolen. Now, what a lot of people want to wonder about is that, so there's a one-time loss and damage policy. It replaces those hearing aids, and it's a great policy, and it's something that we do. Now, we can extend the warranties for patients, up to about 5 years, but we want to be able to take care of you. But yet, it only has a one-time loss and damage per hearing aid. Okay, but it's something that we do, and most people, there are places like Costco barely ever do that kind of stuff. So when you come to Hearing Solution Centers, we're going to take care of you all the way from top to bottom. We're going to be charging you extra charges. Again, the loss and damage is a deductible that I'm not trying to get from you. I'm just telling you that's what's happening through the manufacturers. And it's a reality, but it's actually a great thing. Most people go, you know what, that's fine. I don't have to buy new hearing aids. So if you're interested in that circumstance, you want to know more, you can call us up at 918-388-6644, or you can go online, see us at heartulsa.com. Thank you so much.